Hi, ma'am. Good morning. Can you tell me about yourself?
Hi ma'am, I'm Paulette Y. Marinay and I am 29 years old.
And where do you live, ma'am?
I live in Balobal, Cagayan de Oro City.
So, can you tell me your marital status?
I am single ma'am and I don't have any child.
Okay, so do you have siblings?
Yes, I have ma'am. We are only two
And
he was working abroad also.
and you are the eldest or the
The
youngest?
youngest.
Okay. So, can you tell me your educational background?
I am a vocational course graduated in
Pilgrim Christian College.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what course, ma'am?
Vocational
What?
computer literacy.
All right. So, do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am. I was working 2 years experience in abroad, domestic helper, and like I was focusing on the child autism. He
Oh.
have autism.
So, how old is the child now?
He is 16 years old.
Okay, so since you told me that you are an ex abroad, can you tell me the country, ma'am?
In Kuwait, ma'am.
Okay, so around what year, ma'am?
2022 and 2024.
Is it a finished contract, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so aside from taking care of the autistic child, ma'am, do you have any duties and responsibilities there in your previous employer?
Yeah, because we are three maids there, ma'am, and sometimes I do work in the kitchen, and sometimes I was working also helping on my another maid. She was doing the ironing and the washing and also the cleaning in the house. I was working him. If my patient is sleeping, then I can go to another job. Like I can do multitasking to help my another companion.
Okay, so how would you describe yourself, ma'am?
I am a hardworking and a multitasking.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
No, ma'am, I don't.
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
Before, ma'am, I have a cesarean section last, but it was long time ago, year 2016.
Okay, so you told me that you have undergone a cesarean section,
Yes.
and then you told me earlier that you don't have a children.
But because ma'am, he already passed away
Okay.
after I give birth to him, and then after 3 months he was.
Okay, so I'm so sorry to hear that, ma'am, and I am so sorry for asking.
Okay.
So, why do you want to work abroad, ma'am?
I need to go to abroad, ma'am, to work there because I need also to help my parents and to support all their needs.
Okay, so are you scared of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am. Recently, I have a dog, and he is now 8 years old.
Okay,
Mixed breed,
so how about big dogs, ma'am?
a little bit.
You're a little bit scared, but
Yeah.
is it okay if you're going to take care of big dogs when you go to Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am. I can manage.
Okay. So, can you give me your idea how can you take care of naughty children and children with tantrums?
I can I can manage them like to talk to them and then talk to them calmly and then like reading books and also playing with them.
Okay, so what is your message to your future employer, ma'am?
Hi, to my future employee. I am a hardworking and also like I can do multitasking.
Alright, is that all, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much, ma'am.